Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. So firstly, you need to open the phone application, then click on the three dots button on the right upper corner of your screen and click settings. Then scroll down, find your caller ID announcement and choose announce caller ID. And here choose the action you want. For example, I want to use only when using a headset because I don't want to announce for everyone who calls me. Just I want when I am, riding a bike and my smartphone is in my backpack and I am listening to music at this time in my Bluetooth earbuds. So I will hear who calls me and I'll be able to answer or to cancel this call. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.